Hey folks, came back to the cellar hole here. There's the entrance over there for a second dig. Let's have a quick look around here. Doesn't look like anything's changed. Ground's thawed out a little more. Anyways, I'll get back up over the knoll there and see what I can dig up. I'll get you back on here if I find anything. Okay, I got another good signal here. Right under that leaf by the looks of it. Okay, I'll shut you off and get you back up here in a second. Square nails. 2 small ones. Okay, on to the next. Okay, we got a tone here. We'll see what that is. Well, right there. Looks like a piece off a light bulb. That's interesting. Well, on to the next. And get a tone. Right in here. I'm out of the cellar hole there now, so maybe it'll be something other than a square now. Let's see. No such luck. Maybe there's a couple of them there. Thought I seen a piece of glass in there. I did, yeah. Well, catch you later. Next tone, right in here. Because I should pick a spot with a few more sticks and trees and roots and rocks next time. Alright, I'll get you back up once I uncover it. There we go, folks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square nails in that hole. There might even be more. I'm tired of digging them out. Anyways, on to the next. Okay, we got another target. Seems to be right in front of that stick. Remember that. I'll get you back up here in a second. Well, all that digging for what looks to be a piece of folded up lead, maybe. Alright, well, that's nothing to write home about. On to the next. Okay, so there's a different find. I didn't film it because I figured it was just another square nail. So that's a buckle off something of a good size. Probably something belonging to a horse. Cool beans. Well, on to the next. Well, I lost my camera tripod, so I just spent the last 45 minutes retracing my steps up through the woods and over around down through the field over there. Anyways, I finally found it, so let's get back to digging. Alright, that hole produced 2 square nails. This piece of flat something, it's got a couple holes in it. And this little item here, it's got some sort of little lock thing there. Peculiar looking. Anyways, those 4 come out of one hole. Catch you on the next one. Next item up for bids looks like a ring off a small barrel. You know, that's pretty cool too. Alright, on to the next. Okay, we got something right in here, folks. I'm gonna dig that up. And, square nail. The place is full of square nails. Another one. Okay, catch you later. Hey folks, me again. Dug up this huge friggin' wedge here. Pretty heavy duty. Alright, well, on to the next. Okay, I got something here. I've already pulled 2 square nails up out of there, but it looks like there's a flat piece of metal down in there under those roots. I want to try to get that out and see what that is, and I'll get you back up on here once I dig it up. And yep, that's exactly what it was. There's the 2 square nails. One big piece of flat metal. Break that root and get it over there. Yep. Okay, on to the next. Okay, so we'll do a little roundup here. Didn't find a whole lot of interest. That big wedge there. This piece of metal here. Kind of S-shaped, a couple holes in it. No idea what it is. Lots of square nails. Provided hours of entertainment. This buckle is probably the coolest find. This thing here looks like it's off a light bulb. Don't know if it is. Barrel ring. It's a neat find. Flat metal up in there. I don't think you can see that in the shadows. So we got lots of footage. I don't know what will be usable or not, but anyways, we'll throw something together. Okay, until next time, good luck, happy hunting, and all that good stuff.